Hello, my name is Amanda Melcher and I am an assistant librarian at Jernigan Library. Today, I'll briefly show you how to search for an article in the database Wiley Online Library. To access it, start by going to the library's homepage, lib.tamuk.edu. From our homepage, look to the upper left of your screen and click on the link that says Online Resources. All of our online databases are organized in two ways, alphabetically with lettered tabs at the top, and by subject on the right. Wiley Online Library begins with the letter W, so I'll go ahead and click the letter WXYZ tab. Once I find my database, I'll click on its name. The database features several boxes to type in your search terms or concepts. So if you're looking for works about Texas and wildlife conservation, you simply put each term or each concept in its own box. Now that I've typed in both my terms, I'll go ahead and click the search button. The database will then show you a list of all its contents that contain the two terms you searched for. To access any article, click on its title. You'll be taken directly to the article record. This section provides author listings and publication information, as well as an abstract. You can download the PDF of the article by clicking on the PDF icon beneath the citation information. This has been a brief tutorial in using Wiley Online Library. If you need further assistance, please browse related videos or contact the library's reference desk at 361-593-3319. Thank you.